Okay, so now we'll answer this problem from May 2019 under MSTE. MSTE pa siya. Di pa gaano yung construction. Ngayon, trend is construction and then ano eh, mga kosh, yun. And then, ayan, so this problem pala, ang reference nito or yung source nito is yung Litons. This one is the original problem. So, labasin pa yung Litons nung time na yun. So, hopefully, or baka, mapagtripan ulit yung Litons, di pa naman naubos yun. Baka bumalik, baka mapagtripan ulit ni Engineer Dake. So, ubusin din natin yung Litons. Sagutan natin lahat. Ayan, so basically, this is just algebra. Yeah, application of solving systems of linear equations. So, yan, incorporated lang sa problem solving or this one worded problem. Okay, so to stimulate his son in the pursuit of calculus, math professor, okay, offered him to pay 400 for every problem correctly solved and to fine him 250 for every incorrect solution. So at the end of 26 problems, neither owed any money to the other. So how many did the boy solve correctly? Okay, so understand problem, then devise a plan, di ba? Yung Polya's four-step strategy. So to stimulate his son in the pursuit of calculus, a math professor offered to pay him 400 for every problem solved correctly. So ibig sabihin, if we let x as the problem solved correctly, we let x problem solved correctly, and y yung incorrectly solved, so that is a total of 26, di ba? So x plus y, that is equal to 26. And then, ayun nga. Ito kasi hindi lang na-arrange yung hindi lang na-arrange yung flow. Kumbaga nasa dulo pa yung kailangan mo. Kumbaga, before mo ma-construct ng x plus y equals 26, kailangan mo basahin yung buong problem. Hindi mo siya masusulat agad yung given by reading sentence by sentence lang. Okay? So, ayun. And then next is ito 400 for every problem solved correctly and to find him 250 naman for every incorrect. Pero ang sabi, at the end of 26 problems, neither owed any money to the other. So, ibig sabihin, nag-equal lang. Right? So, nag-equal lang yung amount na, tag ito, yung binayad ni professor and yung finine. So, walang natanggap. Tama? Yeah. Walang natanggap ang isa't isa. Kasi equal lang yung na-solve ni student and yung, I mean, not equal yung numbers, pero yung quantity. Kasi 400 times x, yan. If we let x as the number solved correctly, equal lang yan sa, yan, 250 na hindi, ay sa y problems na mali. That will cost them 250 each. So if we arrange this na naka-ganito, in the form of x plus y para magamitan natin ng Caltech. So that will be 400x minus 250y equals 0. So yan. So we now have systems of linear equations, xy. Then masosolve na natin yan. Siyempre, para mabilis, Caltech na lang natin. Diba? Titipid tayo sa ng oras pag magsisolve for board exam. So that's mode 5, 1 for two equations to announce. So we have 1, 26, and then 400 minus 250. That is then 0. So, ibig sabihin, 10 yung x natin, which is nilet natin yon as yung solved problems correctly kasi 400 times x nga. Therefore, the question is, how many did the boy solve correctly? So, that is 10. And yung incorrectly naman, that is 16. So, parehas na sa choices. Okay, ito yung sinasabi nila na mas marami raw trap sa pisad. Okay, sa MSTE talaga. Mas naniniwala akong sa MSTE yung trap. Ayun, kasi baka ma-excite ka, may napalabas ka unang sagot, hindi pa pala yun yung hinahanap, o yun na yung isasagot mo. So ayun, wala, minus points na agad. So that's it, that's how you solve this problem. Yan. Using, this is just, application of systems of linear equations. So ayun, that's it. Hope you learned something.